out of the book, and you got to dematerialize the library. Bitcoin is the dematerialization of property. We're sucking the value out of gold and real estate and other property assets and collectibles and art. We're putting them on a blockchain. We're giving it to the people. It's a long-term trend. It's a million times more efficient than hauling your property around on your back. And if you want to give property rights to 5 billion people, you need Bitcoin to do it and a smartphone. So it's a technology play for us. And we're very confident that over the next decade, 5 billion people are going to have property on a smartphone. And Bitcoin is going to be the primary blockchain that's used to do that.
Mike.
Bam. Good morning. Wall Street Pete's sick dough in crypto. And if you want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto, hit that like and subscribe, because we are the only channel that does music, workout, be healthy, technical analysis, and crypto news. So if you like this stuff, please hit the like and subscribe, because we are going on a ride. We're going to the moon, and we're going soon. We, as Bitcoin, is growing faster than the internet. This is insane. This is old news, but we need to go over it. We need to talk about a lot of things here. Good morning, Ahmed. Good morning, RJ. Good morning, Selner. Wally is chilling up there. Crypto expert Willy Woo. We should have named Wally Willy Woo, because that's a great www name. www. Right? Bitcoin has drawn parallels between Bitcoin and the internet adoption, implying that we are still early. Yes, we are. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Believes that the moment the total number of Bitcoin users is approximately the same as the World Wide Web more than 20 years ago, back in 1997, when the internet was at an early stage. However, the experts reckon that Bitcoin adoption is expanding and much faster than that. As per his expectations, in the next 4 years, there are likely to be a whopping 1 billion Bitcoin users, which is what the internet had back in 2005. We're going to talk about a lot of different things. El Salvador will be a serious test for Bitcoin's layer 2 networks. Another big deal. Why? Bitcoin Beach, they're testing it out. Everyone's on their phone. You can't get a human being off their mother effing phone today. What are they going to do? They're going to pay with Bitcoin on their phone or Ethereum or whatever the hell, Litecoin, whatever the fuck you could pay with, right? Whatever it is. That's usually not the one you pay with. But point being, it's going to be a big, big deal. All right. I need everyone to understand that this is huge. Options expire. If you did not know, options expire. And this is what happens as 4 billion options expire. Here's why. They go into it, they'll tell you why. And a lot of people had to hedge the market back into their direction in order to not die in the market here. This was just a 3-minute read on the 25th, 2 days ago. You can go read it if you want. Bitcoin and Ethereum tanks as 4 billion in options expire. Here's why. They tell you. You can read a little bit into it. I'm not into it that much, but I want to explain what Mr. Saylor was saying. Michael Saylor was saying that words out of the book of digital. You understand? He wants everything, and he's saying everything will go digital. That's possible. That's going to be. Everything's digital now. Everything's going digital. The books. He's saying Bitcoin's digital. And that's why everything is going to be paid through 5 billion of people. Imagine how many people you got to get to something. Well, you got to do it digitally. You're not going to be able to get to 5 billion people any other way. And that's the fastest way to do it. If you don't understand it, then you're going to have a rough time really understanding the adoption and what's really going to happen here. This is Ethereum Classic. We're over here, right? We talked about that. We were selling dollar cost averaging out of $1.14 down. I did sell some of the $1.62. We already had that conversation. That was nuts. Why? Someone said to me, why don't you have any more subscribers, Pete? Well, one, I wasn't that active as I was exploded. I stopped being active. And two, you know what the real problem is all these other people are pumping coins, and I guess there's not enough people sharing. The algorithm isn't moving enough. There's already enough crypto channels out there. A lot of people like their own already. So I'm fairly new, and my TA to them, they haven't tested or they just don't believe in yet. So I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen with all that. But before I wreck this and destroy this, I want to talk about how I thought that this is the possibility of a 32% coming back. There's many reasons why. It's okay. I don't have I don't have the Tesla yet. It's not sitting behind the scenes. I'm not driving the Tesla on live. There's a lot of different reasons. You're not hitting the like button, maybe. I'm not saying you guys specifically. I'm talking about the other users that are enjoying Wall Street Pete, you know what I mean, and getting the benefits and just reaping it. Or there's haters. There's haters. There's only one like. Right now, I got one like, and that's a problem. So, it only says we have a couple viewers, so maybe that's why. But if you pay attention, definitely to mention Bitcoin, what it's doing here on the hourly. It's come down a little bit, so I expect to see what's going to happen here. Let's go to the forwardly, and we'll do what we do. It's going to be tough TA for this right now for the Fibonacci sequence, but I do believe that we are in a little bit of a bullish momentum, and I would like to see just a short term. This is just short term. This is nothing serious. This is not 100% accurate. Nothing's 100% accurate, but this is... It won't be as accurate when you fool around on the Fibonacci with just a short amount of candles. It's not made for this. That's me like, yeah, that doesn't surprise me. Thank you. RJ, my man, needs to hit it. Ahmed needs to hit it. You need to hit that like button. 32.3. Well, shit. Interesting. Wow. So we got 8 minutes. I'm going to be here for 8 minutes and 46 seconds. In 8 minutes and 46 seconds is what's going to happen now. This is crazy. I would have told you that the golden Fibonacci 38.2% pullback on the short term, right? This is what I would have told you. I'm just saying. I'm excited. I'm getting excited live. And when I get excited live, that means something good's about to happen. So definitely need to pay attention. There's no music this morning. I'm sorry if you were looking for music. Here we are. So pay attention to this. This is a big deal. What does this price say? 32,321. What does that price say? 33,321, right? Now that they try to block it. How funny is that? 38.2% pullback. That's a big, significant move. What did we get on the candle, the red candle? Well, it fell all the way to 32,360. No bullshit. We said that. That was the price that it fell down to. I'm just saying, okay? If we didn't see any of this right here, this last 4 hours of candles, and let's just say we came to the, what time is this? This is the 4 in the morning to 8 o'clock. It's about to be 8 o'clock in the morning. This is the 4 a.m. candle for the Eastern time, the New York City time. 4 a.m. candle. Crazy things happen at 4 a.m. Well, shit, it did. That's a big move for that 4 a.m. candle. I don't know if anyone understands that move. Woo! Hoo-hoo! Wake up. As if you remember that, what was that from Miss Doubtfire? Hoo-hoo! With the fake mask, lime mask on. Robin Williams, rest in peace, man. Robin Williams is a great actor. Pay attention to this. I have a feeling that this is what's coming next. We're going to do some TA. We're going to back that up. We're definitely going to back this up. But if I start doing this and showing that this is coming, you're going to be coming, right? That's pretty cool. I'm not saying that's happening yet. So we're going to do some TA to back it up. But there's a possibility, big possibility, because that 38.2% pullback was so perfect that that's representing, ooh la la, it's representing some waves. Looking at this, I told you this is the worst place to be trading anywhere on the RSI, but if you pay attention, you'll know why. I'm a little concerned that, yeah, we need to just spike, so that's not what's going to, see, that would be down. So the next candle at 8 o'clock would be, so this is what would happen if we got the 8 o'clock candle and it was bearish. It would fall. Now, the likely scenario that I'm telling you that I'm expecting, looking at some of this TA before I go into this shit, little sooner. So I'm expecting it a little sooner. That's kind of something on the relative strength index chart currently. 4 hourly. Now let's get to the hourly. I need to see. And if you look at the short-term hourly, of course, we've been going up. This is some TA I definitely got to see. These are hours now. Last time I'm here. I was all the way up here last time and came down and then came up. We have not done that. See this little M and then we fell? You can't say that because you didn't hit here and bounce up. So all that would be bullshit if you were like, oh, well, look, we fell last time. No. And that's why the TA, I do the TA. Now I see why people can't do TA on their own because they don't know. All right, so we were coming from the bottom. When you're coming from the bottom up and you stop here, which we have done only here, came up from the bottom, came up, hit, and then went down, but then tested to go back up. You see that? So this may be the Sunday fall coming with a big bounce. So that's what I got out of my RSI. I'm going to pay attention to my RSI now. All right. So now look how real it looks. That's my thing. It's not real. But look at the significant size in the wicks. There is some significant growth. Now, I'm not happy in the volume. The volume is shitty, but they're making up for the options. I don't know if people understand, but the options expire every Friday. I don't know if you knew that. Every last Friday of the month. For Bitcoin, it expires. So that's why when they say options are expiring this Friday, you now know. Hit the like and subscribe. You now are going on the ride. You are now getting educated every day. Learn something new. If you don't learn something new in the crypto market, you're going to get left behind. I do see a parabolic move coming. I can't help it. I don't see anything else. What the fuck do you guys see? Leave in the comment what you see because Bitcoin dominance. I'm having a rough time here. Oh, my Lanta. Oh, my Lanta. Woo! Sound the sirens. Sound off the sirens. Because we have something here in the Bitcoin dominance that is showing levels of destruction. Holy shit. Look at it. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sitting here like, what? Everyone says we're falling. Everyone says no good. Everyone says bloodbath. Shut the fuck up. Wow, I'm so tired of hearing all of you. I'm sorry. I just don't want to hear the negative Nancy bullshit no more. We're going up. Chuck. So I don't give a motherfucker fuck what you say today. Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto. I thought you'd know. I don't need to see much more. I'm going to go to my relative. I'm going to go to the EMA ribbon. I'm going to be doing a bunch of shit now. Wow. Look at this. The ribbon flipped. Ooh la la. Wow. Chicka bow. What do we got here? Ladies and gentlemen, we have something crazy going on. It says I got one viewer and I'm giggling because if people are seeing that this is flipping and you understand that when it does this, oh my gosh, look at this open. See this open here? See, I don't know if you can see this on my screen the way I do, but the EMA bands are flipping, but they're flipping, getting a price action when they get wide like that. I'm just getting excited right now. The reason why I'm acting corny and getting super excited is because I feel we're very bullish here. We have 1 minute and 50 seconds to really confirm this. Wow. We'll hope to get a confirmation here. Now listen to me. This could be the M that everyone was scared of. And you know what? It's possible. It's very, very possible. But what's also possible is what I'm seeing here. Wow. This is the downward trend. We already know that we got the double bottom M, but there was a rejection here. That's what I'm trying to say. There was supposed to be an M that was supposed to continue down here, and I feel like on the hourly we didn't get that. That was the short term. That's what I'm trying to explain. That's what I'm trying to show. There's a lot of telling indicators here telling me why we're going to go up and not down. The only thing I don't like, and I'll explain that in a minute, and that's a big underlying factor. Big underlying factor. Huge underlying factor. Is this. 36.6 billion volume. We need to come back to the 40 billion volume. That's my personal opinion. That's not anyone's suggestion or opinion, but that's my personal opinion that we must have that. Right here, we need to flip. It's kind of odd that I have this number here at the 32, and we're talking about this price, and now we're getting the flip. So I would say hold on for your horses. and enjoy this weekend, the rest of it that we have left, the last day. There's something coming. And I'm not talking about I'm not talking about anything like that. I'm talking about a Bitcoin price. We're getting a little resistance from here. So last time we did that, we got some red candles and fell. But I don't see any of this coming here. I maybe see one red candle, 1 hourly red candle here. Forwardly, we know we're getting a new candle on the forwardly, and we just received it. So there it is. There's my candle. Let's see what happens now. Pay attention, definitely to mention. On the down, now see, that's the problem. You got 4 hours for this candle to correct itself. 4 hours to really tell you, what is it going to do? I explained to you that we hit the 32.3 immediately. So therefore, that usually tells me that we're very bullish. I'm very bullish on this candle. That's what I'm trying to explain to you. And right now, as we're receiving the green candle, I want to see some parabolic move up. It would take a lot to get all the way up here, but you know what? So far, we're holding. I was just going to say, I'm waiting to see it turn red because red is definitely a possibility. That's what the high volatility is for. That's what the shakeouts are for. If you see we were going up parabolic, right? Now pay attention to that. That's something huge. We were going up. We get a couple hours, 4 hourlies of parabolic, and then you get this downward action. So we're not done. There's a possibility in a couple minutes as we talk, it goes back green. The volatility is nuts. So now we got a confirmation like, okay, you want to be red. I see what you want to do. We know it's not going to stay that way, but we know we're going to fight the battle. So this is the forwardly candle. We're only a minute and 30 seconds into it, but you can clearly see that the dead cat bounce is showing strong. So the dead cat bounce is here. And the dead cat bounce is obviously the fake momentum of an up, yet going down thinking that your high peaks that you're finally going to go up. Yes, excitement, right? And that's exactly what we've been doing. Nothing but we've been getting is excitement. It's a shame. So we have to come down off this. We're above the EMA now. That was my point. We're above it. So we're above the EMA. You just seen that on my indicator. And now it has to correct and show that, hey, well, we're above it. It's the beginning of the candle. So first off, you need to relax. I think July is not going to be the rocket ship that everyone hopes for. You know what I think it's going to be? I think we're going to get closer to August. I think August is going to be the rocket month. And that's my technical personal opinion. August. And you know what's funny? It's a special someone's birthday this month. It's kind of funny, but I think it's going to be a birthday gift for me. August is going to be the game changer. I really do. I believe that this is true. I do believe that August is going to be the game changer. That's something we're going to put up here all the way. Let's do it now and get it done with. I'm going to move it over all the way there. As we get there, we'll see as we rise. Let's see if it gets there. Let's see if we can see that price action. But I want to explain to you that this is possible here. I was a little bullish on this candle. I was expecting a little parabolic move, but like I said, 33 hours and 57 minutes, you have another much longer time frame to go on to the next candle. So this one could be a boring one. This one could just be leading us to an M. Pay attention. That was one of the things I was going to tell you, but I'm not really worrying about it because it doesn't look like a downward M. If it looks like anything, it's going to look like that. And what is that, ladies and gentlemen? Well, that's tomorrow morning. That's Monday morning. Could you imagine going to work Monday morning and being ready to call out because you're like, shit, I'm making money. I'm making sick dough in crypto. Monday morning may just be a wake up, bullish wake up. I'm going to be excited that this happens. It's not guaranteed. I'm not a registered financial advisor. We know that. But we do TA. We have a good time. I'm going to get going. Early birthday, Pete. I'll forget, unfortunately. Happy early birthday, Pete. Oh, wow. I say something about my birthday. It was a joke or something. But no. It's not my birthday. I did say something about that alone. I'll have to reread it. Rewatch this and talk about it. But listen, here's the upward W. It's very possible that we keep retesting that downward momentum and then come back up. Right now, we have to fix the relative strength index chart. Right now, Bitcoin has to fix it. If you notice, we're starting to change that downward momentum back towards a bullish. Ooh, that's interesting. Maybe we're getting that move I was asking or thinking we should have been getting. You know what'll happen? We'll get off and this will slam up. If you see, we've came up already, so maybe we get that one little dip little W, and then boom. So you got to pay attention to that. No more M's. If you see an M, run, because M's are bad, right? We talk about it. Downward M's are bad, but what's good? W's are always good. So pay attention to that. They're not always good. I'm kidding. But W's are much better than M's. M's are horrible. You would think M for money. That's not true. We need to get our M's. So maybe we're rising. This is what I think we're doing. If you really want to understand, I think that Bitcoin is going to do this for the rest of Sunday. It's going to be a downward Sunday. And then I think we're going to get the Monday week into next week. Why? Because this is something I see. If you pay attention, definitely to mention. I'm going to leave you off with this thought. Downward momentum for Sunday, Monday up. So pay attention to that. That's my personal opinion. I think we've gone up as far as we could for the weekend. If you pay attention, this has been one of the most bullish weekends I've seen in a long, long time. I will do that. I like to go further out, but I do that by myself. I'm sorry I don't do it with you on live. I look at everything else when I'm by myself. So I'll leave you with some bullish momentum, and I'll leave you with some target prices and some ideas. We have 12 hours left, the 8 o'clock candle tonight. We will be on the 8 o'clock candle tonight. Wall Street Pete Sicto Crypto does the 8 o'clock candle. Daily, we need, see, we've got 1, 2, 3 up, 1 down. So 1, 2, 3 up again, and then a breakthrough. We need it, but I don't see that coming. I see the dead cat bounce clear as day. Could have this been the breakthrough that we needed on June 16th? I'm not really sure. We did hit resistance there, and if you do look back here, it happened again. So if you do understand that it's only a matter of time. It's only a matter of time before you do keep hitting these type of resistant prices coming through. You know what I mean? Testing, then, so there's one big test. There's two big tests, right? 3 strikes, you're out at the old ball game. So we got to pay attention to July 6th, July 7th. The pattern is moving, very, very telling on the daily. Yes. So thank Ahmed for that one. Yes, beautiful. I like it. The thing is that it's not going to play out the same. It doesn't always do that, but look what happened last time it tested about the same levels. It was definitely looking at something weird, and it was kind of like creating a head and shoulders pattern. This is not really how it works. It's just 3 humps. It's not really a head and shoulders pattern, but if we remove everything and really start looking here, I think the inverted head and shoulders pattern really is going to form here. Right about there, I do believe that something can happen like this and then create that. So that would be now, this would now be my head and that would now be my shoulder. I know it kind of looks ugly and it looks very silly, but this would be an inverted head and shoulders pattern that could be developing on the daily, which would be nice. You would then see some type of sideways action similar to this with that kind of an up, and then forget it. Off to the races, and people are back on the Bitcoin love. I'll leave you with that thought. I'll leave you with that idea. There's many options. These are 1 or 2 of them. I think it's possible. I'm really strong into this thought. Why? Because just so much of adoptions. The TA's even telling me. I'm just really trying to explain it here. When you get things like this, if you look, it's a dead cat bounce the whole fucking way on the daily. I mean, it's the whole way, all the way. Look at this. From January 9th, 2021. January 9th, 2021, if you look at this, that was the peak. We skyrocketed. It's just that simple. Looking at the RSI, and we really just killed it. We've done nothing but fall. Dead cat bounce every mother effing time. Each month is terrible. If you pay attention, definitely to mention. But wait, there's something in the charts that has showed me something different on the daily. And thank you, Ahmed, once again, because this is beautiful. All right. If you look at the top peak here on this, and when I say the top peak, I mean it. Let's get closer. The difference between here and here is 2. There's only 2. Now, If I do that again and I go different color coordinations, just want to show you the strength of it getting ready to die. Look how big the difference is. Now, I'm going to show you what I mean in a minute if you can't follow. All right, so what, 53 to 56? That's more likely, okay? The strength is dying. That's what I'm getting at. It's just simple TA, fundamentals as well. The strength is dying as it's coming down. If you notice, the peak is coming back. So every time I go to do my line, now this is the furthest peak, 89. You got to understand it from the fall perspective. Wow. I did not see that number being that high. I'm just being honest. I did not see that number being that high. Please hit the like and subscribe. If you're telling me you see a falling wedge, that is a bullish pattern. So I'm excited. Please don't tell me you're seeing a friggin' falling wedge, because if you are seeing a falling wedge like I am, this is a very bullish pattern. The numbers are starting to consolidate. The numbers are starting to crunch and come back up. Notice that this one line orange is starting to meet up a little better. That's big deals. That's big deals right there. What we're going to talk about is a falling wedge. Well, if that's what we see here, which it is, very well a falling wedge. My nose is itchy. Something's about to happen. I'm about to get into a fight or something. That's a very, very bullish. All right, well, we're going to have to do it. It's Sunday, fun day. Definitely Sunday, fun day. I can't help myself. People are waking up in my house. I hear.
Did you know Geico can save you?
No, I didn't know. But listen, in my house, people were sleeping. I hear little footsteps walking. I hear people in here. So we are going to go say goodbye the right way, the right style, all the way to the Nile, maybe just for another mile. Sicto Crypto, have a good day. And I know you're going to once you listen to the Sicto Crypto, because we're the only one that do this. Yes, get it. Sicto Crypto. I thought that you know we got this fallen wedge. We got Ahmed saying check the daily show. I thought you'd know this is Sicto Crypto. Oh yo, early happy birthday Pete. Until I forget, unfortunately, don't know what you mean. I'm on the scene, we're out here not making green. It's Bitcoin. Don't run to the ATM and pull your groin, because you know it's gonna hurt. And don't be a jerk. You might have to flirt when you're making big money like a honey. Jump around like a bunny. What you talk about at me, don't act so funny. You already know me, money. We already know. It's sick though, flip though. I don't give a fuck though. We're gonna make the real money. We're gonna have a good day. La da da da. Woo! Ain't no one got to die today. We gotta lay on a pillow and pray tonight, and don't fight, and know it's gonna be alright. Don't just let the bed bugs bite. It's gonna be okay. You know it's gonna be not gray. It's outside the light. It's blue today. It's gonna be the sign my way. It's the sunny day. It's cray. I know you're gonna follow me anyway. Hit the like, subscribe. We got bills to pay. And if you're watching me, we're gonna do that sicko TA. Yes, oh yay. No more negativity. No more positivity. What? You talking about that rivity? We talking about positivity. We talking about working out, screaming and shout. We're talking about being the bills to pay that we're going to have to live each way. Sicto Crypto, hashtag PD Guns, having funs. Let's go. Have a wonderful day. It's Sunday fun day. You need to have a good day. You need to have a positive beat energy. Wake up. Smell the coffee, baby. I'm telling you, we need to start living life. You're not living life. If you're not happy today and you have a reason to be sad, stop dwelling on the bullshit. Seriously. Listen again. We're gonna have a good day. Da, 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 da. Woo! Ain't no one got a time today. I can't really sing. My heart, it hurts. Woo! I got a special someone's birthday in August. It's not me. I'm talking about the person that I love, the person that I used to hug. It's my mom. She's gone. Kabam. That's the one. She's the motherfucking bomb. I love her very much, but it's over. It was August. See ya, Red Rover, and let Petey get over it. Have a good day. Wall Street Pete, Sick No Crypto. Enjoy Sunday Fun Day. Yeah, get it. The Wall Street Pete DJ. He's a lot of things. He could even be an asshole. Have a great day.
Tonight, I'll be eating a pork banh mi with extra jalapenos.